This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Shiksha Setu and going straight to your profile. Don't detour. Once done, tap the profile icon at the top right and choose Edit Profile or Settings. Make sure the app has storage permission so it can modify or remove image files. If you denied permission earlier, grant it now in your device settings. You're doing this to access the photo controls. Next, you'll locate the avatar editing tools and remove the picture. You tap the profile picture to open the editing menu and select Remove or Delete. This is the crucial action. If the app forces Replace instead of Delete, upload a blank placeholder image. For best results, use a simple 100x100 PNG with transparent or white background. Confirm any deletion prompts and watch for the spinner that indicates the server processed the change. Don't close the app mid-process, because that can leave a cached image. Once the UI updates, proceed to save or exit. You finish by tapping Save and reloading your profile so you can verify the photo is removed across the app. If the old image still appears, clear the app cache or sign out and sign back in. Sometimes server sync needs 2 to 5 minutes. Make sure storage permission remains enabled and only reinstall the app if nothing else works. If you hit errors, take a screenshot and note the exact message before contacting support. That speeds resolution and avoids repeated steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.